Let's go. Putang ina, nalaglag ako, gago. Guys, let's go! Chopper's here! Please, please, please! Yo, what's up, Crafties? So, this is your boy, Mikey Craft, signing in for another new episode ng Left 4 Dead 2. So, yun. Bad news. Kailangan nating laktawan yung chapter ng The Passing dahil sobrang dilim. Tinry ko siya sobrang dilim as in. Kaya, I decided na skip na lang at mag-proceed na tayo sa Dark Carnival. So, it's sad for us dahil hindi natin makukompleto yung whole story ng Left 4 Dead 2. Kailangan nating lagpasan or laktawan yung chapter ng The Passing. So, ayan, proceed na tayo sa Dark Carnival. Yan, easy mode. Then, si Ellis na lang ulit, character natin. And let's start. So, ayun yan, no. So, sa mga susunod na, na season or weeks, gagawin na natin ulit ng episode yung Blood Strike. So, itutuloy natin yung episode doon. So, natapos tayo doon episode 4 or 5. So, yun. Abang-abang lang.
Traffic's blocked.
Sorry guys, I didn't see this coming. Let's get back on foot.
Okay. So, let's do this. Parang mahina yung audio. Yan. Wala bang mili rito? Okay.
Look at this shit.
Hey! Whispering Oaks. Shit, I used to go there when
Okay. So, let's go. Let's kill these sons of bitches. Dito sa Dark Carnival, medyo compatible ako kasi medyo nakikita ko pa
Adrenaline
eh.
shot here.
Hindi katulad sa The Passing, sobrang dilim as in. Kaya napakahirap makita ng kalatan. Pero I'm expecting na medyo may madilim na area sa susunod na level nito. Kasi papunta na tayo nito sa ano eh.
Reloading.
Papunta na tayo nito sa Papunta na tayo nito sa Whispering Oaks. Kaya I'm expecting na may madilim na area doon.
Molotov.
Molotov, nice. Paano kaya kung tawag dito? Kung nangyari to sa totoong buhay yung green tea. Tama na lupit siguro no. Totoong buhay may tanker. Saka hunter. God. Too bad for these people got it. Tapos may ganun no, yung charge. Bahala, matay dyan sa smoker.
Grabbing a bile bomb.
Bile bro.
Throwing a bile bomb.
May pump shot yan dito. Molotov. Ayun.
Hey, fire's
Slowly
coming.
natin. O, diba? Wait lang guys. Okay. So, sana may Molotov sa susunod nating pupuntahan, which is dito sa bridge. I'm just hoping. Kasi baka may makaanoan tayong tank dito.
Adrenaline shot here.
Lakas talaga ng pump shotgun. Shit.
I'm gonna take a stab in the dark and say that park's that way. Jockey!
Yeah, kill Jockey. Ayoko, hindi ko kukunin yung ano. Hindi ako kukuha ng sniper rifle. Sniper rifle dyan eh. Kaso ayoko. Boom ah!
Hey, don't shoot the car.
Wala. Walang molotov po. Kaya lang yan. Tapos may witch pa. Saan yung witch?
Oh,
Tangin
witch.
yung witch. Charot!
Let's get up on the walkway.
Ito, pump shotgun. Ito tayo dito. Taas. Sorry man, I have to kill you. Sorry. I have to raid the rooms. Magre-raid tayo dito. Nagsa-search ako ng molotov. Gago, may jockey. Ayun!
Grabbing a Molotov.
Nice. Okay. Let's go.
Through this door.
Gago, dalawa pala. So, ito ba? Puta.
Hey, through this window.
So, kumauna sila, ano? Ano na yan? Charger! How is it my fault? Parang kay John. Gago na yan to.
Jockey!
Fuck you! Gago! Na-disturb ni Rochelle yung ano, Twitch. Gago, yun na Rochelle! Nice one. Yep, kill the hunter. Okay, there's no tank but witch. No, you don't. Nakakairita pa to. Oh, gago.
Fire's coming!
Tank! Kill that thing! Oh, fuck. Die.
Frag rounds here.
I'll take the
Deploy
shotgun.
frag rounds. Charger!
Putang ina sa pool.
Oh, hey!
Shoot the charger!
Got it. Tang ina sa pool.
All right, if we're gonna get to the bottom of this gully, we... Whoa!
Jockey!
Wow, shit!
Ay, hindi pala nakuha yung bulb. Fuck!
Anybody want to go up
You.
and do that
Galing ito.
again?
Galing yan.
Hunter!
Hindi ko makita. Ayan. So, as I said, I was expecting na may madilim na area dito. Ay, sorry po. Sorry. Hindi ko... Kasalanan ko po yun. Sorry po. Kasalanan ko po talaga.
Molotov here.
Ayun, molotov dito. Sorry po, hindi ko po sinasadya.
Up here.
Alam nyo naman po naka-explosive ammo tayo. No, you don't, yap. Shit. Tangina, huwag kasi kayo umarang. Nababaril ko kayo eh.
Hey, watch out! Reloading.
They don't even know how to defend themselves.
Safe house. In there.
Alright, finally, nasa Whispering Oaks na tayo. Tangina na, nawala ko yung ano, naiwan ko yung first aid ko, shit.
Whispering Oaks. We made it.
Okay. So, we made it. Uy, tayo pinakamataas na score. Binatuan ba naman natin ang Molotov eh. Wala tayo score sa Witch. Takin na. Okay. Ay, napansin ko, 100 pa rin yung ano natin ah. Midnight Riders.
Hey, the Midnight Riders. I used to love that band. Best pyrotechnics in the business.
Heal natin si Rochelle.
I'll back you up on that. Hell of a show.
Now.
Alright, let's go. Dito mababawasan yung buhay natin. Dati pala, sorry.
Reloading. Weapons over here.
No, you don't. Hey! Fetch
Hot
this!
bomb all the way.
Boom! Get it.
Spin coming.
Ay. Tapos may tank pala. Fuck! Rochelle! Tingnan mo! Blinded tuloy ako, Pak. Walang iya ka talaga, Rochelle. Ayop ka. Watch out po, bumibal eh. Takot na ito, Rochelle na to eh. May katana
Katana
dito.
here.
Ayan. Katana dito. Hula ko, which yung unang ma-encounter dito. Meron dito. Ayun, AK.
Coach, you're making me hungry.
Pwede
just
natin
listening
makuha
you.
to eh. Itong si Mr. Genome. Basta makascore tayo dito eh. Kaso, pwede tayo magsayang ng bala. Easter egg lang naman yun.
Witch.
Ba yan?
Reloading.
Reloading.
Ayan natin yung ilaw. Okay, so may iba't ibang ways naman kung paano malalagpasan yung witch. I don't have to fight the witch, man. If we can just calculate. Tapos ito, makakadaan tayo dito. Let's try. Woo! O, diba?
Witches is past.
We don't have to piss the witch. We don't have to fight the witch. We can just pass through
Throwing a
it.
pipe bomb.
Fetch!
Reload.
Boom! O, diba? Ah, fuck! Tanga! O, diba? Ang tanga naman po, tanga na hindi ano.
I hear Spitter.
No!
Hey, I'm grabbing this ninja sword. Anybody see some nunchucks, give me a holler.
Ah, tanga si Peter.
Fire in the hole!
Ooh, no, 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 you don't. Ay, may ano pala rito.
Fire bullets here. Look
Let's
out
not
now!
forget our...
Clowns!
Ano lang makita gago. Naharang yung mga zombie. Patay. Ano, manghihila ka pala, Bella mo ah.
Rise, fellow. Sitting atop
Uy, favorite weapon ko.
passing judgment on all the lessons.
Busin natin yung bala ko. Nakatake ka pa.
Holy shit, guys!
Killing! Kabisado ko yung mga linya nila rito eh. Gago guys, nung bata pa ako, tagal na ako naglalaro nito. So, sobrang addict ko sa Left 4 Dead. Naglalaro kami ng mga kaibigan ko ng
Right now.
talagang Left 4 Dead. Yung as in kami yung kunwari nasa beat. Tapos yung linya ni Ellis, taka na kabisado ko gago. Kahit yung nagkikwento siya.
Reloading!
Taka na gago ang saya ng childhood ko po.
Reload!
Okay.
Katana here.
Patay.
Charger!
Bug!
Watch out!
Tak! Ano, huwag kayo magalit
Hey, I'm
sa akin
reloading.
kung nababaril ko kayo. Taka na, nakaharang kasi kayo. So, fun fact, taka napatay niyo yung clown. Nakaka-distract kasi na zombie. Alam ko pwede mong silipin kung may tanker dito. Okay, wala. Baka kasi may tanker eh.
I hear a smoker.
Kailangan natin. Ingat. Ah, may smoker. Let's go in here. Gotcha, boy. Ang naman eh.
Hunter!
Gago na sun! Ah, puta.
Weapons over here.
Shit.
Boomer!
Okay, tara guys. Putang na ito yung hunter.
Tank!
Putang ina mo gago ka.
Like that mother up!
Takara gago.
Shoot the damn tank!
Taka na, patay agad ah. Gago. Tong ina. Pwede tayo mag-slide dito eh. Whee! Tangin na saya. Okay, let's proceed here. So, may panic, ano dito? May panic event. Panic situation. Kasi bubuksan natin dito yung makina
Coach,
nung
I aim to let you.
Paris ba yun? Too bad. Hindi ako naapektuhan. Ako ba nakapatay sa ano, Skeeter?
Reloading!
Ako, no? Meron kayong pipe bomb dito or at
I'm a
least
reload.
battle jar. Hanap tayo dito. Yon, thank God. Okay. Game na.
I'm gonna hit this and then we gotta run.
Medyo madali lang naman tong carousel path na ano na to. Basta tuloy-tuloy lang. Pak! Tang ina. Hype na boomer yan.
It's off.
A sacramental sacrifice. Uy, saan kayo nakakuha ng laser? Saan ka nakakuha ng laser technique? Kailangan ko yan. Para madaling targetin itong mga zombie na to. Wait lang. Hanap tayo baka may troll material dito. Oh, wala. Oh, see? May achievement tayo.
Reload.
We are protecting them. Alright, let's go.
Reloading. Hey, there's a safe room in the Tunnel of Love.
Okay.
Everybody into the Tunnel of Love. Wait a second.
Ay,
I gotta heal.
yawa! Sayang hindi ko nagawa yung ano, healing trick. Okay, konti lang yung score natin sa tank. Ay, hindi na siya mabilis. Okay, so hindi
We
na siya
ready?
mabilis mag-heal. Kasi last time na pag ano ko kasi last time nung tinesting ko kasi to, ang bilis nga mag-heal. Basta ka single player mode ako nun. Hindi ko lang alam na bakit ganun.
Reloading.
Reloading.
So medyo nahihilata rin ako sa ano na to, parting to kasi possible dito pa lang na-encounter na natin yung top. Takong jacket pala yung gago.
Charger!
Boom! Tangin na sa pool.
Oh, witch.
Gago. Boy, we can just pass through it.
Hey, take that clown down.
Fucking clown.
Reloading here.
Taka na, kahit pa-extinguish siya, walang patawad eh. Taka na yung saan na taka. Dito tayo.
One thing video games have taught me.
Fuck! Tabi! Tak na.
Stop. Hey, I'm reloading.
Ayop namang speeder yan oh. Gago.
Healing. Cover me, please. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ammo here.
May ammo dito.
Nope.
Sinaraduhan ng pinto. Ngayon, sana Walang tank.
Reloading.
Kasi wala tayong molotov. Ino! I see you, bitch!
Reload.
Parang manyak tumakbo yung mga zombie dito. Ay, may shotgun. Pump shotgun. Ah! Tama na, I'm still good at this shit.
Down that hole.
Wait lang. Okay. Let's go. Wait lang ah. Titignan ko lang may molotov dito. Shit, wala. Nang molotov. Ang mahirap kasi yung pagka may na-encounter ka kagad na tanker, tas nandito ko pa sa ano eh. Paano nag-vlog eh.
Reloading.
Sana wala. Sana wala. Oh! God.
Reloading.
Tang inang charger yun ay.
Hey, some guns here.
Okay lang. Ito na lang. Pipe bomb.
Hey, chopper.
Wee! Ayun yung chopper. Oh. Okay.
Reloading.
Ito tayo.
Oh, coaster.
Okay. Hanap lang tayo baka kasi may ano dito. Wala. Auto shotgun nga tayo.
I'm taking the shotgun. Over the fence.
Ang ina mo, atake ka pa.
Charger.
Charger! Fuck you!
I'm starting it.
Let's go!
I'm gonna fly down these hills.
Anong na ba? Nasa ano pala tayo? Coaster eh.
Throwing a pipe bomb.
Pinaka nakakairitang panic na pwede mong ma-encounter dito sa Dan Cannibal. Bagal kasi ng mga kasama ko rito eh.
Shit, run, man.
Shit, run man, don't walk.
Hunter.
Kaya napatay na natin. Fuck! Gago! Gawin nyo! Gago, nasa tulak ng charger. No choice. Kailangan mag-feels. Guys, tara na. Let's go na. Gago. Namatay si Nick.
Follow the tracks. I need somebody's help just for 5 seconds. All okay?
Hold on. I'm here. Ow!
Can I help?
Getting better.
Gago, may dugo si Ellie sa
Much
mga
obliged.
effects.
Good to go.
Guys, we need to hurry up.
We gotta turn that alarm off.
May Medyo na-trauma na kasi ako dito sa level na to eh. Trauma na ako sa panic mode na to, kaya medyo hinihintay ko na yung mga
Somebody turn
kasama.
off that alarm.
Guys, bilisan nyo! Fine, I'll do it myself. Bahala na kayo dyan.
These things ain't never gonna stop.
Putang ina mo! Wala, finish ka. Hindi, kasama ko pa sa mission. Ano, bigla ka na ganun. Kumano na tayo dun, Rochelle. Tingnan nyo, ay may tumigil ah. Rochelle! Tulong! Revive me, please. Fuck, namamatay na ako, shit.
Oh! Reloading!
Tang ina, natapos din. Tang ina nyo.
Molotov.
Oo, hindi ko na kaya. Kailangan ko na makapunta sa safe room. Utang ina.
Run to the door!
Pilisin nyo na. Utang ina, ang bagal nyo.
Game over.
I'm all tuckered out. I need every one of you inside now!
Saka na may AWP pa rito.
Everybody inside!
Coach, Rochelle, bilisan nyo!
Inside now!
Tangin na talaga itong magtatay na to eh. Coach! Bilisan mo na!
Can somebody... Ah!
Okay.
I'm thinking we can take on anything.
Bagal ang puta. Okay. AWP dito guys oh. Lupit. Guys, meron pa ano dito, first aid oh. Buti pa si Rochelle sumusunod, o buti pa si Nick, o buti pa si Coach. Okay, let's go. Fuck!
Reload!
Sa campaign mode yata hindi nakasara to eh. Pero pagka single player nakasarado siya.
Reloading!
Fuck! I wish there was a pill.
I got a pipe bomb.
Fetch!
This! Weapons.
Sa pool.
Smoker's got me! Reloading.
Die.
Through the bumper cars. No time to play any games. Adrenaline shot here. You'll probably put this to better use than me anyhow.
Hindi ako gumagamit ng adrenaline eh. Pills lang talaga ako.
Grabbing pills.
And speaking of, may pills nga dito. I'm guessing there's a tank. Pero pwedeng wala rin. Depende siguro sa mode. Pag kasi sa campaign may tank eh. Okay. I think there's no time. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Let's head to the stadium.
Oh, fuck. Ito na gago, walang way. Parang tayo lulusot. Pwede ba? Woo!
I'm gonna reload.
Sorry. Tangina, may kumagaro. May tango.
Reload.
Sa sapak lang pala kayo, patay na kayo eh.
Through here.
We need to trigger the tank. But the question is, where is it?
Through that door.
I swear, may narinig akong tanker. Nag-roll pa nga eh. Dude, how is it my
This
fault?
rifle right here got my name all over it.
Bumablockings kayo.
We got a smoker.
Pwede kayo na. Dude, I swear, I just heard a tank roll. Or maybe I'm just hallucinating. Ah, sabi na eh.
Fire's coming.
Sana yan, sana yan, sana yan, sana yan. Sana yung tanker. Ay, gago, nandito. Gago dyan! Die!
Shoot the tank.
Diba, patay? Headshot.
First aid kit here.
First aid dito.
Look here.
Reloading.
Okay, may first aid din dito. Nick,
Let me
let
use
me
this
heal you,
health kit on
motherfucker.
you.
Tana, naka-ano ka lang.
Reloading.
Hey, I got first aid kit if somebody needs it.
I really hate this panic mode. I mean, panic then.
I'm opening it.
Ready to rock?
Aren't you ready to rock?
Mahirap kasi on dito.
They come.
Pero pwede naman tayo gumawa ng
Hey, look out.
trap. Nakakatilong ko. Aray.
Reloading.
Dati na daming mga atake dito. Tagal. Patikim pa lang tong sa entrance. Pag pumunta na tayo dun, mas madami to. Ayun.
It's open. Go.
Patikim pa lang tong sa entrance. Mas madami dito. Diba?
Incoming.
Tangas speaker to.
Gotta reload.
Sana, salubungin na to.
Reloading.
Gago na dati.
Put her on the shelf.
Oh, ay gago, dalawa yung hunter.
We can get into the stadium through here to full.
Gago, dami na score dito.
Alice, come on, man.
Dude, how is it not full? Dude, tara na! Coach, pasok na!
Hey, we are a right damn good team.
Ay, nako. Okay, port final na tayo. Port finale na tayo. Hey! Mataas score natin. Okay, so nasa stadium na tayo. This is the final moment. Ayaw na itong AK. Puta.
Okay, here's the plan. First, we look for supplies. Then we start the Midnight Rider finale. There's all kinds of fireworks, smoke pots, and lights and shit. That chopper pilot can't miss it.
Let's go.
Let's find this thing.
May battle jar dito. Okay.
Here comes some puke.
Let's clear the path. Headshot silang lahat.
Boomer.
Pull. Oh, fuck!
That don't look dignified.
Reloading!
How's this finale supposed to start?
Okay. I like this little peanut. Let's go here and turn the lights on sa stage.
Light.
Reloading!
Healing. Cover me,
Heal lang
please.
tayo saglit para full yung ating ano.
That fixed me up real good.
Okay, let's go to the stage to set up the motherfucking audio song. Molotov and
Hey, I'm reloading.
I'm reloading.
yung tayo gitara. It's on. Pero dito tayo. Kasi mas madaling ano yung targets dito eh. Tayo dito guys.
Somebody shut off that clown!
Diba? Galing patayin yung zombies, hindi natin kailangang tumakbo-takbo kung saan. Spitter. Mayo.
Keep it up.
Parang hindi ko naririnig yung music ng Ghost Riders. Ay, Ghost Rider. Midnight Rider. Nga lang. Ayun. Mahina lang pala yung volume ko, guys. Ayun. Wait lang. Audio. Tay. Okay, may tank na tayo.
Hey, fire's coming.
Okay, yun yung tank natin. First tank.
Tank!
Tayo nyo yan. Nice one.
Hey, Hunter on coat.
Kukuha lang ako na isa pang molotov. Wait lang. Okay, got it. Okay, balik sa taas. Balik sa taas, guys. Balik sa taas.
First aid. Boomer! Boomer!
Manny Oakley?
Hunter!
Taas tumalo ni Hunter ang puta. Holy shit.
First aid kit here.
Basta pagka sa mga ganito, guys, ano lang. Stay lang kayo sa isang lugar dito.
Heads up!
Dito yung pinaka the best spot.
Oh, spitter goo!
Pinaka best spot pinaka best spot to, guys.
Woo!
Wait lang. Ayusin ko lang yung audio. Okay. Okay. Second tank. Woo! Gagong saya. Pero nasan yung tank? Yun. Ano, umuga na. Ayun, gago, nandito pala. Ito yung tank, putang naman, nawalan pa ako ng bala. Tanggalin natin yung isang baril dito. Guys, putang ina, nalaglag ako, gago. Trade chopper! Let's go! Guys, let's go! Chopper's here! Please, please, please! Let's go! Woo! May achievement tayo, Midnight Riders. Okay. So, natapos na natin. Dark Carnival. Let's go! Proceed na tayo sa ano? Sa Swamp Fever. Kaso medyo madilim din dun eh. Pero try natin. Pero sa susunod na episode na. So ayun, maraming salamat sa panonood. So ayun, abang-abang lang kayo sa ating Bloodstrike series and episodes. So itutuloy natin yung episode dun. Natapos tayo sa episode 4 or 5. Hindi ko matandaan eh. Pero itutuloy natin yung episode natin dun. So maraming salamat ulit sa pagsubaybay. At sana paramihin nyo naman yung views na itong Left 4 Dead. Kasi napansin ko lang na marami yung views natin sa Minecraft. Diba? Kada episode, ang daming views. Actually, yung first episode natin, umabot na yata ng 3 or 4 eh. Diba? So, ayun, sana paramihin natin yung views na itong Left 4 Dead. So, ayun. Maraming salamat sa panonood. At ayun lang, abang-abang lang kayo sa natin, sa iba't iba pa nating episode series na gagawan. Ayun lang, maraming salamat sa panonood and kita-kita tayo sa susunod na chapter. So, yun, this is your boy Mikey Crap signing off. Signing off. Peace. Yeah.